This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase phantom faults. Check the remote battery and use the original controller or paired phone app. Once done, unplug the TV box or dongle for 30 seconds and remove USB devices and extra HDMI inputs. This forces a clean restart. Make a quick note of any apps you installed recently and take a screenshot of the home screen so you can restore settings later. This saves time if you must reinstall or reset. You'll try the standard exit first. Press and hold back and home together, or go to Settings, System, Restart to leave safe mode. If the TV returns to safe mode, boot into safe mode intentionally and go to Settings, Apps. Disable or uninstall apps added right before the problem started. These commonly trigger crashes. Also clear cache for Google Play services and your launcher app, then reboot after each change to see if normal mode holds. Methodical steps help isolate the offending app or service. If the issue remains, perform a factory reset from settings but back up your Google account and notes first, because reset erases local data. After resetting, reinstall apps selectively and update system firmware right away to prevent recurrence. Make sure to reconnect one HDMI device at a time. HDMI-CC devices can force safe mode loops. If safe mode still appears, collect boot times and error behavior, check attached device settings, and contact OEM support with those details. This troubleshooting tip speeds up repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.